Hi, everybody. Welcome to Thursday of Heggerty. Please remember that I would like everybody saying all the letters and the sounds and saying the words with me, okay? Even though you're at home right now. So we're going to start with our letter names and sounds. So we say the letter is U, the sound is or U. The letter is A, the sound is A or A. The letter is I, the sound is or I. The letter is E, the sound is or E. The letter is O, the sound is or O. Now we have some digraphs, our H brothers. The letters are SH, the sound is sh. Say it with me. I need to hear you. The letters are TH, the sound is th. The letters are CH, the sound is ch. The letters are, we're back on to blends. We had one more in there. The letters are SM, the sound is sm. The letters are ST, the sound is st. The letters are PR, the sound is per. The letters are GR, the sound is ger. The letters are TR, the sound is ter. The letters are CR, the sound is cur. Oh, there's my H brother. He got mixed in. The letters are PH, the sound is. The letters are WH, the sound is W. The letters are SN, the sound is SN. All right, we won't do all those blends. We'll mix them up. We'll do some more tomorrow. Right, friends, this is called Finish the Phrase. Super fun. So I'm going to say a sentence, and you are going to name a rhyming word with the first word of my sentence. So, for example, snake making what rhymes with snake that he could make? And it can be silly. Snake making a cake. Good. I heard some of you say cake. Excellent. Try to make something that makes sense, but it's still kind of silly. Okay? Birds reading. Try again. Birds reading words, right? What do you read? Words. Good. How about this one? Hen counting to. Did you say 10? Hen counting to 10. Hen and 10 rhyme. Duck driving a truck, right? Mouse in a did you say house? Great job, friends. Give me a yeehaw. All right. I'm going to say 3 words. I want you to say the 2 words that have the same beginning sound back to me. So crown, craft, read. Crown, craft. Good. Give, price, praise. Price, praise. Trust, find, track. Trust, track. Good. Drop, came, drain. Drop and drain. Some of you might have said came and drain. They rhyme, but they don't start the same. So it's drop and drain. Now, group, great. Group, great. You got it. Frost, fruit, take. Frost, fruit. My turn. Ran, bridge, broke. Bridge, broke. Right, they start with that burr. All right, friends, get those choppers ready. You're going to blend my word. I'll break it apart for you. Drum. I. You say it. Fry. Good. You can do your hands with me. A. Gray. You got it. Praise. Excellent. A, v, o. Travel, good. They get longer. Stick with me. Try it. B, I, t, brighter, yeah. K, s, crumbs, good. D, op, drop. That was a short one. Frost. I almost didn't separate the blend there. Last one. Grump. Good job, friends. Yay, give me some fireworks. Psh, 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 psh. All right. Let's go ahead, and this time I'm going to give you 3 words. I need you to identify the middle sound, the vowel sound. So you'll say the vowel sound, and then tell me, is that short or long? And what letter vowel is it? So the words are plant, crash, track, short A, swift, spill, twist. Do you hear that? Short I, cloak, snowed, stroke, O, long O. Good. Scrub, truck, brush, short U. Excellent, friends. Stale, flame, great. You hear it? A, long A. Good. My turn. Bread, stem, sweat, short E. Clean, greet, speak. Do you hear it? It's E, long E. Awesome. Spruce, truth, spoon. Do you hear the U? Long U. Awesome. Slide, cried, smile. Do you hear it? What was it? I, long I. Awesome. That is the hardest part of our Haggerty, I think, in my opinion. Can you get those choppers ready? Oh, I'm sorry. You deserve some snaps for that. Give yourself some snaps. Woo! All right. Next time we'll do a roller coaster. Here we go. Choppers ready. I'm giving you that whole word. I need you to chop it for me. Probe. Chop it. Let's hear it. Say the sounds. P, O, B. Excellent. My turn. Tribe. You say it. Tribe. Now break it apart. Segment. I, B. Got it? My turn. Break. Now you say it. Break. B, A, K. Yes. Crack. You say it. Crack. Break it apart. K, A, K. Excellent. Drain. You say it. Drain. Segment. D, A, N. Awesome. Fries. You say it. Fries. That's making me hungry. I, Z. Gravy. Got it? Gravy. Let's break it. G, A, V, E. Awesome. One more. Brave. You say it. Brave. And break it. B, A, V. Awesome. You did it. Let's buckle in. Get ready. Woo! 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 We did the roller coaster. All right, friends, you deserve that. Okay, here we go. We're going to substitute the sounds. I'll give you the word. Repeat my word. We'll just change the beginning, okay? So here it comes. Flush. You say it. Flush. Change the full to burr. Brush. You got it. Drapes. Drapes. Change the der to gur. Grapes. Yes. Blow. You say it. Blow. Change the bull to gur. And the new word is grow. You got it. I lost my place. Clown. You say it. Clown. Change the cull to fur. And the word is frown. You got it. Plow. Plow. Change the pull to burr. The word is brow. Skate. skate, change the sk to cur. The word is crate. Awesome. Skin, change the sk to gur. Grin, yep. Sky, change the sk to tur. Try. Slide, you say it slide, change sl to dur. Dried. Last one, snap. You say it. Snap, change the sn to tur. Trap. That's the new word. Awesome, friends. Let's just give us a round of applause. You did so great. All right, friends, 2 more. Hang in there, 2 more. Here we go. I've got the end part. I'll add the beginning. We'll put them together to make a new word. Robe, add probe. Ribe, add the t, and the word is tribe. Good. Rake, you say it. Rake, add b to the beginning. Bake. Rack, add k to the beginning. Crack. Rise, add to the beginning. Fries. Ravy, add g to the beginning. Gravy. Rave, add b, and it makes brave. Rain, add d, and it's drain. Last one. Rick, add t to the beginning. Trick. You got it. Nice job, friends. Let's raise the roof. Woo-hoo. Good job. Last one. I'm going to take away, okay? So I'll give you the whole word. When I point to you like this, I need you to say that word, and then we'll take away the sound, and you tell me what's left, okay? Freeze. Without the breeze. Grade. You say it, grade without the g. Raid. Pray without the p. Ray. Trim, let me hear you. Trim without the t. What is it? Rim. Cream without the k. Ream, you got it. Drink without the d. What is it? Rink, you got it. Frank without the f. Rank. Draw without the d. Raw. Proof without the p. Roof. Bread, say it, bread without the b. Bread. That's it. We did it. Good job, everyone. I will see you tomorrow for some more Haggerty.